Hi, others. Great to have you here. Uh,
Thanks for having me.
we have a few questions and we'd love your insight on them. The first one is, what problem were you obsessed with solving when you started Control B, and what did everyone else miss?
So when we started building Control B, what we realized was that even after 30, 40 years of data being the mainstream and it being the oil, we still use the methods that were first developed in 1985 to store and query them. And that is when we realized that, okay, this is a blue ocean and is an untapped opportunity. Everyone just wants to throw more compute to solve the problem, whereas what we realize is that the problem is much more fundamental in terms of how to store and retrieve the data itself.
Very interesting. So, what's something which is very unique about Control B, uh, but is advantageous to Control B, but looks very counterintuitive from the outside?
So up till now, everyone has sort of stayed away from introducing probabilistic approaches in data because everyone fears that there might be a lot of false negatives, and B is if they don't have the complete picture at any given time, they might have to end up reading a lot more data, which is a common term we refer to as wasted reads or wasted IO. Uh, but what we realized was that these are solvable problems. Like you just need to put in more research hours to get it right, but these are solvable issues. Yeah.
Very, very interesting. So, what's the hardest thing that you have done right so far, and how has your thought process evolved with that?
Sure. So I think the hardest thing to solve was how do you get the probabilistic indexing right? Because it is a new class of indexing in itself with nothing to take example from, and you have to start from a clean board. And again with that, combine it with the problem of wasted reads. So let's say you have 0.1% probability of something false positives, that okay, the data is not there, yet the filter will say that the data is here. And now just multiply that by 10,000. So by the law of large number, even if the probability of every event is constant, the law of large number says that if you repeat that same experiment n number of times, the overall probability of something going wrong will be huge. So getting across that, beating the law of large numbers was something very difficult and very rewarding also.
Very, very impressive. So, one last question. If Control B works out exactly the way you want it to work out, what would change for your customers?
For our customers, they will notice drastic reduction in the cost of storing the data, and they will see retrieval speed that they have not even imagined. So for instance, one of the US customer who is live in production, they are seeing an ROI of 1604% over just 1 year.
Wow.
So yeah, excited to change the world for good.
Great. All the best and rooting for you.